Round 2023-24. I am Dipanshi Thakur with my teammates Arna Kaushik and Charu Namdev. We are from St. Xavier's High School, Bharni, Bilaspur, from class 9. Our project theme is Disaster Management, title Disaster Monitor, under the problem statement Design Solution that can solve some of the pressing challenges of India, such as handling medical emergencies, search and rescue operations, etc. Our team name is Tech Warriors and teammates are Dipanshi Thakur, Arna Kaushik and Charu Namdev. I am Dipanshi Thakur. Now I would like to start our presentation Disaster Monitor. Why are you choosing this particular area? In the face of natural disasters such as floods and tsunamis, earthquakes and landslides, the integration of Internet of Things, IoT-enabled drones and artificial intelligence AI-based medical support emerged as a revolutionary solution. These advanced technologies work in the tandem to swiftly respond to crises, providing crucial and in disaster zones. IoT-equipped drones serve as illegal first responder navigating through inaccessible terrains to access the extent of damage and identify survivors. These drones leverage real-time data collection utilizing sensors to monitor environmental conditions and transmit vital information back to emergency response team. AI algorithms then process this data rapidly, analyzing the situation and aiding in decision-making process. The integration of AI in medical support enhances disaster relief efforts by enabling remote gynecologists and treatment planning. AI algorithms can quickly access the medical needs of survivors, prioritize cases based on severity, and recommend appropriate interventions. This streamlined approach ensures effective allocations of resources and accelerates medical assistance to those in the critical condition. Together, IoT-enabled drones and AI-based medical support redefine disaster response strategies, offering a swift and intelligent approach to mitigating the impact of natural disaster on human lives. Brief explanation of salient features of proposed solution and how is the proposed solution solving the problem statement. Alertness in disaster mitigation is urgently needed in every area in all countries of the world. Embedded device technology specifically designed and programmed to detect disasters such as earthquakes, tsunamis, floods and landslides, storms and hurricanes, and providing the medical aid on time. The disaster management prototype using Internet of IoT and drone surveillance of disaster-prone and affected area proposed here is capable of sensing atmospheric changes and upload the data obtained to the cloud server. Example, the thing speak server. Nation features proposed disaster management supporting system by drone and internet things in smart cities, giving details of Arduino board along with the Wi-Fi module collects the data from the various sensors, DTH11 module, MQ2 sound sensor, ultrasonic HCSR04, LDR sound, piezoelectric vibration sensor and triple axis accelerometer. Give input to the module by sensing the atmospheric condition. The Arduino programming environment facilitates the developer to manage, complete, upload and simulate the scenario in a user-friendly environment. Now I would like to call my friend Charu to give the further presentation.
Thank you Dipanshi for handovering me the presentation. Now I am Charu Namdev and I will continue the presentation on our project Disaster Monitor. What makes our solution innovative and different? Usage of drone with IoT in disaster-prone and affected area to monitor change in atmospheric condition before and during disaster, which can implement inexpensive wireless sensor networking components to detect floods, landslides, tsunami, and send alert to the people residing across the coastal line of a country. Application area of our solution such as the location, scenario, and user profile. Where the prototype can be deployed. First, educational and research institutes. Second, disaster monitor and management team. Third, government and non-government agencies. What ATL tools and technologies have we used in the development? Vibration sensor, piezoelectric, accelerometer sensor, ThinkSpeak, GPS module, Internet of Things, Node, MCU, Arduino, buzzer, motor, piezoelectric sensor, ultrasonic, LDR, and DHT11. Sound sensor, breadboard, jumper cable, power bank, drone module with DO monitor. with VO Motor. Now I would like to hand over the presentation to my teammate Arna Kaushik.
Hi, I'm Arna Kaushik. Thank you, Charu, for handovering me this presentation. Now I will continue the further presentation on our project Disaster Monitor. Ground testing and application. We can implement inexpensive wireless sensor network components to detect the atmospheric and ground condition in disaster-prone and affected areas, send alert to the people residing across the affected area. The project drone and the IoT model is effectively used to alert the people before the disaster occurs in smart city and also send messages to agencies and volunteer to prevent the people and provide medical support in emergencies. The new techniques could reduce the chance of losing human lives as well as damage to large-scale infrastructure due to natural disaster. Key job roles and contribution from each team member. Dipanshu Thakur, first, overall research, preparation of PowerPoint. Second, data collection, research and survey on remote monitoring of disaster. Third, participating in ideation, development of prototype and planning for video shooting, registration and submission of project. Arna Kaushik, first, overall research, preparation of PowerPoint. Second, data collection, research and survey on remote monitoring of disaster, participation in ideation, development of prototype and planning for content development. Third, overall coordination and submission. Charu Namdev, first, overall research, preparation of PowerPoint. Second, data collection, research and survey on remote monitoring of disaster, participation in ideation, development of prototype and planning for content development. Third, preparation, correction and finalization of research document in the PowerPoint format. Thank you for watching our presentation.